When it comes to making the first impression, you have all heard about the first 60 seconds that matter. What if I tell you that it's not just the first 60 seconds, but even the first 5 or 10 seconds in which people are creating an impression about you. They decide to treat you a certain way or not. From the time you enter through that door, you could either look like this, or like this. Today I want to talk about how, when you change your body language right from the get-go or even before you enter through that door, you don't just change your body language, you actually change your mindset. You change your thoughts and you will notice the advantages, such as you speak up more confidently and people perceive you as someone who is very assertive. If you want all of this for yourself, then continue to watch and learn to correct these 4 mistakes that you're making with your body language in the first 5 to 10 seconds of entering a room or meeting someone. First 5 to 10 seconds matter. Welcome to Blush with me. Let's talk about rejection as the first step. When you're interested in someone, the face is on the front of your body when you're talking to other people. Now, if you do not want to talk to them, notice how slowly your torso, your feet, your face turn away. Showing your back and turning away from someone is a signal of maximum rejection. Let people see your face for as long as possible. As a Miss India, I was trained to turn my head away from the audience towards the end of my interaction. The idea is to let people see your face for as long as possible. And the same thing when applied to real life is magical. People instantly will notice you more than the others. When you're entering a room, to close the door or for any other reason, avoiding turning away from your audience, whoever that be. It could be a client, it could be a date or a friend. Once you enter, your body should be facing forward. If you need to turn away for any reason, let your face turn last. Turning your head away first sends the loud non-verbal signal that I do not want to talk to you. And if the other person is important, you don't want to give that impression. Number 2 is looking down. Downcasting has been a trend, especially with the younger people. You have seen it, I have seen it, everyone has too. When someone is unhappy, shy, shameful, or uncomfortable, they try to hide it by either looking down so you don't see their eyes, or they hide it with a fake smile. As an image coach, I come across a lot of my students and clients who want to know why they are not as likable as they would want to be. By looking people in the eye, smiling, but not unnecessarily smiling, just keep a nice warm expression on your face, you are creating an opportunity to gravitate these people towards you versus ignoring you. I'm sure you pass a lot of great people, but just because they don't give you that eye contact or an inviting body language, they pass an opportunity to create a good impression on you and they go completely unnoticed. So you could be doing the same too. Being a good person on the inside is great, but your outer packaging, how you present yourself, how you present that amazing person to the rest of the world outside, it can reopen your opportunities in any walk of life. Confident eye contact is very attractive, and once you start seeing the change in the perception that you are creating about yourself just by learning to use it the right way, appearing confident will just become a natural habit. I want you to try this today. If you're entering a gym, a restaurant, or an office, no digging your head in your phone. Look up and be open to the opportunities. For the next step, I want you to control your restless, rapid movements. Beat your breath, your arms, your walk, your head movement. With any kind of rapid, fast movements, you could very easily be giving an impression to someone that you're stressed, or you're restless, or you're dishonest, or nervous, or even afraid of being in that situation. The easiest way to control the rest of your body movements is to control the pace of your breath first. Take a few seconds before you enter a room, take a deep, relaxing breath and hold a power pose for a few seconds. If you haven't seen my video on power posing, then you are missing out big time. I will link that video for your convenience in the description below. Your breath is literally like a remote control to your whole body and your actions. Try this tip the next time you're nervous or you're excited before a meeting and watch yourself come across as a powerful, controlled, and a calm individual. Let's talk about unsure facial expressions as the next body language mistake. I have noticed this multiple times when people enter a room full of people, such as a conference room or a popular upscale restaurant, or if it is a place that's new to you, or if you're late for a meeting. They walk in feeling very unsure of their next step. It is as though they will fall off a building if they take their next step. That slouch in their shoulders, to that unsure, sorry smile, those fidgety eyes, pursing and biting lips. Everything is different from someone who would walk in with confidence, as though they own the room. If you believe you are not important or you're like a sidekick in a movie, it'll always show in your actions and even in your presence. The trick here is to act like you are the main character of a movie, of your movie. Believe that. When you enter a room, pause for a second instead of looking around with unsure expressions or looking into your phone. Smile at people confidently and walk in a direction you need to go in. Continue to smile as people even as you walk. That's how main characters in movies are. They get noticed and not like junior artists who never get noticed. Sharing 5 of these tips was just the tip of the iceberg. There are hundreds, if not thousands, of body language indicators out there. And you can learn better body language communication to improve your chances in any situation. It gives me great pride when my clients revamp their whole life by transforming their image. When I talk about image transformation, body language is just one of them. If you want me to be your image coach, then I can help you get clarity on how you can distinguish yourself by making changes to your personal style, your mindset, your body language, your personalized makeup skills, and creating your personal brand in person or even across social media. Because everything about your presence is constantly speaking on your behalf. I'm Parmita Katkar and I'm an image coach. I need your suggestion for what I should film next. Gestures of influential people or how to impress a group of people in the first meeting. And I'm sure you will have some of your own suggestions, so please feel free to share all of that and your opinion about today's video in the comments below. Do check out some of my other image transformation videos in the playlists below. Gestures of influential people or how to impress a group of people in the first meeting. And I'm sure you will have some of your own suggestions, so please feel free to share all of that and your opinion about today's video in the comments below. Do check out some of my other image transformation videos in the playlist below, such as Watch Yourself Change, and I also have some amazing face yoga videos in a separate playlist, so do check it out. I post videos every week, so subscribing to my channel is highly recommended. By clicking on that like button, you can let me know if you like this video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, young or old. Everyone needs to learn these skills that are not taught in schools. I am going to step out for today, but before that, I have something very important I want you to do. Give me that eye contact and blush with me.